Sa dami ng mga isyung kinakaharap nating mga kabataan ngayon, one can't help but ask, may magagawa ba tayo?
Oo naman! Tayong mga kabataan, we have the power to turn things around and help transform the Philippines for the better.
Paano ba?
Through the Philippine Youth Development Plan, we can address the concerns that our fellow youth are facing today. With the PYDP, we can implement youth-led initiatives within our school or community. Pero, ano nga ba ang PYDP?
Ang PYDP ay isang komprehensibong plano for youth development kung saan nakalatag ang mga estratehiya na pwedeng i-implement ng stakeholders para masiguro na ang kabataang Filipino ay maging enabled, involved, and patriotic while realizing their aspirations for themselves and for the country.
PYDP is by the youth and for the youth dahil ang mga estratehiyang nakasaad sa plano ay nabuo mula sa konsultahan na ginawa ng National Youth Commission kasama ang mga kabataan mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
And when we say youth, we mean those belonging in the age range of 15 to 30 years old. Ayon ito sa Republic Act 8044 or Youth in Nation Building Act, which established NYC as the sole policy-making and coordinating body of all youth-related programs in the government.
The strategies in the PYDP are grouped into 10 thematic areas, which we call the Centers of Participation. And they are
Governance,
active citizenship,
economic empowerment,
global mobility,
environment,
agriculture,
peace building and security,
social inclusion and equity,
health.
and education. If all the strategies under these centers of participation are implemented, it can only mean that by 2028, the end year of the plan, the Filipino youth will be protected and empowered to realize their full potential to shape their family, community, and country.
Economically empowered and have a comparative advantage in the use, transformation, and innovation of digital technology.
Enabled to promote ASEAN identity, including in the context of promoting and protecting human rights.
Enjoy food security and proper nutrition and a safe, livable, and climate-resilient environment.
Enjoy peace and security and have equitable access to social protection and to quality and affordable health and education services. These visions are summarized through the statement, Kabataan, Kaagapay sa Kaunlaran, because we believe that you are our partner and ally in nation building.
How can we help achieve the goals of PYDP?
Participate in local decision-making processes such as youth consultations, youth planning sessions, and youth-led assessments.
Implement local advocacy campaigns.
Implement youth-led PYDP initiatives.
Engage local policymakers about PYDP.
Collaborate with other youth organizations to amplify impact of PYDP-related initiatives.
Implement a standardized youth data management system.
These are some of the ways we can contribute in advocating for the implementation of PYDP in your local communities. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! Ayain na ang barkada!
Your participation is crucial in translating these policies into meaningful actions.
Kung sama-sama,
We can make this dream a reality! Dahil tayong kabataan, ang kaagapay sa kaunlaran.